Welcome to MathsTV. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics 058011 May-June 2017. Welcome to MathsTV. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core 058011 May-June 2017. Question number 1. Write in figures the number 70,020. So 70,020 we'll have to write. So this will be 70,000 and 0 hundreds and 20. So this will be the number given. Then question number 2. Write as a decimal the value of 5 raised to the power -3. So we have to write this one. We can even use calculator for that. And 5 raised to the power -3 will be equal to this one, 8 into 10 raised to the power -3. So 8 into 10 raised to the power -3 we can write it as, so -3 will be moving decimal to the other side, so 0.008 will be our answer. What we have done, we have shifted decimal from this side to 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. If it is -3, we will be shifting to the 3 digits left. If it is plus, we will be moving right. So our answer will be 0.008. The thickness of one sheet of paper is 8 into 10 to the power -3. Work out the thickness of 250 sheets. So this number will be multiplied by 250 and answer will be 2 centimeters. Even we can write here 250 into 8 into 10 raised to the power -3. Then comes simplify. We have to simplify this x square whole raised to the power 5. So this will be equal to x raised to the power 2 into 5, which is x raised to the power 10. So it will be answering this one. Then question number 5, we have to fill this blank. Choose the mathematical word for the list to complete the statement. Pentagon A. If you check, base is 2 units, this base is also 2 units. So every length is same, length and width of this shape is same. So we'll write congruent. So we can take one shape and put it on other. So this is what criteria for congruent. So we'll write here congruent. This is done. Then comes question number 6. From the list, write down a prime number. So prime number is 31. They are saying a prime number. So list, it may be containing more than one, but we can write only one, which is required. So we'll write 31. Write this correct to 4 significant figures. So 2, 3, 4 and 5 up to this one is required. So 5 is, if it is 5 or more than 5, we are adding one number. So 7 is more than 5, so we'll write 23.46 and this will be our answer, 23.46. Then comes the nearest 10. So we have to write nearest 10, 23.4. So it is less than 5, so we'll write 20 as rounded number. 23 is basically closer to 20 as compared to 30. So we'll write it is closer to 20. Question number 8. Factorize completely. So we'll have to check what is common in both. Maximum common we'll take out. So 4 and n. And this will be 3n minus m. And this will be our answer. We will write here 4n into 3n minus m. This will be our answer. Now next question number 9. Find the highest common factor HCF of 126 and 150. So prime factors we will write 126. We can write it as 2 and 63. Then next will be 3 and 21, and 21 can be written as 3 and 7. So both are prime. So these are the prime factors. Then 150 also can be written as prime factors. So this will be 2 and 75, and then 3 and 25, 3 and 25, and 25 can be written as 5 and 5. So these are the prime factors of 150. Now 126, prime factors of 126 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So these we have written over here. Then 150 also we can write as 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now we will have to check what are common in both. So this is common in both and this one is common in both. That's all. So we can write 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. So answer will be 6. Question number 10. The table shows the temperatures in 5 places at 10 a.m. on one day in Jan. So this is the list given which place has the coldest. So minus 10 is the smallest number, the lowest number, basically temperature. So we can write here Chicago is the location for the lowest temperature. And at 2 p.m. the temperature in Helsinki, this one, right? Okay, this location at 2 p.m. is 4, increased by 4 degrees Celsius. So minus 4 increase mean minus 6, minus 5, like that. So it will be minus 7 plus 4 will be minus 3. So minus 3 will be the temperature. And expand, we have to expand this. So multiply, this will be 7 into 2, x will be 14x. And plus 7 into 3 will be 21y, minus x into 14 will be 14x, and minus x into minus y will be plus xy. And I will move the page so that you can see properly. So this one, 14 and 14x and 14x will be cancelled, and answer will be 21y plus xy. We can write this, or we can take y common. So I'm keeping as it is. This one, the question number 12. The mass m kilograms of an elephant is this much, correct, to the nearest 5 kg. So 5 kg, half of 5 kg we'll have to, 5 kg divided by 2, we have to add and subtract. So plus minus 2.5 kg. This will be the factor which will be adding and subtracting to get the nearest, to get the lower bound and upper bound of the values. So 3570 is the number which is rounded, which is nearest number, rounded number. So we will write the upper bound and also the lower bound. So upper bound will be added 2.5, so 3572, so 3572.5. we have added this number to this one, and we can subtract for the lower bound. That will be 3567.5. This will be the number. So lower number lower bound we will be writing on this side. Otherwise it will be wrong and they will not give you 2 marks. 1 mark will be deducted for wrong sequence. If you are switching this to this side and this to this side, you will be losing 1 mark. Question number 13 is matrix question. A, B matrix, 2 matrices are given, and we have to find A plus 2B as a single vector we have to write. So A plus 2B, A is 5 and minus 1 plus 2, and B is minus 3 and minus 4. And now we'll have to add 5 into this one, 5 plus 2 into this will be minus 6. So we can write minus 6 like this, and minus 1 plus 2 into minus 4 will be minus 8 like that, and this will be minus 1 and this one will be minus 9. So our answer will be over here, minus 1 and minus 9. Question number 14. Manual changes this much, 5,000 Mexican pesos to dollars, and it receives this many dollars. We need $1. Conversion ratio is basically required. So it's simple. 5,000 divided by 336 will be equal to, you can use calculator, 5,000 divided by 336 will be equal to this much, 14.88095238, and we have to write up to 2 decimal places, so up to this one, so 14.88 will be our answer. Question number 15. Maria asks 50 students in her class, in her school, when their birthday is. She records the information in the table, and this is the information: Jan to March, April to June, and July to September, October to December. This is given. Find the relative frequency of a student having a birthday in April, May, or June. So this is basically relative to this one. This relative to the whole. So 21 ratio, the sum of everything, we can find 9 plus 21 plus 14 plus 6, this is 50. So 21 ratio 50, or we can write 21 over 50. There are 750 students in the school. Estimate the number of students who have a birthday in this section, in this time. So it will be 21 over 50 and multiply by 750. So this will be equal to 21 over 50 and multiplied by 750. This is equal to 315. 315 will be our answer. 315. Question number 16. We have to work out this one. 512 cube root of 512 and 6 square. So if we check, like for example, cube root of 512 is equal to 8. So what we can do, we can write 8 raised to power 3. 512 we can write this, and cube root we can write like this, and 6 raised to the power 2. Now what we can do, we can cancel these two, and this will be 8 over 36, because 6 square will be 36. Then we can cancel by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36. So this will be 2 over 9, and 2 over 9 will be our answer. Question number 17. We have to make R as subject, so we will be shifting everything to other side. So 4 pi will be on other side as denominator. This will be equal to R square. So R will be equal to cube root, square root of a over 4 pi, like this, and we can shift 4 outside, so it will be 2 and a over pi, 1 by 2 a over pi root. So this will be answer over here. Work out this one. So from this side, division multiple will be first, so multiplication will be first. So 2 into minus 4 will be minus 8, and 3 minus 8 will be minus 5. So we can write here minus 5 as answer. In each of these, insert one pair of brackets to make this statement correct. We need 23 if we put bracket here. So this will be solved first. This will be 10. 10 into 3 will be 30. 30 plus 2 will be 30 plus 2 will be, wait, yeah, 5 plus 2 will be 7. 7 into 3 will be 21. 21 plus 2 will be 23. Yeah. Similarly, for this one, we need answer 2. If we put brackets over here, this will be solved first. 4 plus 2 will be 6, and 12 divided by 6 will be 2. Now question number 19, without using calculator. Basically, you can use calculator, but you will have to show the working. If you are showing the proper working, then it's well and good. The mentioning of without calculator means they require the complete working. So 1 whole 2 by 3, we can write 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. So we can write 5 by 3. and plus 5 by 7. 21 will be the LCM, so this will be 21 divided by 3 will be 7. 7 into 5 will be 35, plus 21 divided by 7 will be 3. 3 into 5 will be 15. So this one, 35 plus 15 will be 50. So 50 divided by 21 will be equal to 2 whole 8 by 21. You can use calculator also to convert this. 2 whole 8 by 21 will be the answer. Then question number 20 is simultaneous equations, and if we check this carefully, this is minus 2y and this is plus 4y. If we multiply first equation by 2, this will be 4y, and this one also 4y. So we will multiply first equation by 2 and this will be 10x minus 4y is equal to 48, and this will be 7x plus 4y is equal to minus 14. And now we can add them, and we can write here adding, and this will be cancelled. 17x is equal to 48 minus 14, this will be equal to 34. So we can write here 34, x is equal to 34 over 17, which is equal to 2. So x value will be 2. Now we have to find y value. We can replace in any of these two original equations. I'll replace in second equation. So 7 into x value is 2 plus 4y is equal to 12. So 4y is equal to, it's not 12 basically, this is minus 14. So this will be minus 14. So this will be minus 14 and minus 14. This one we will shift to other side. So this will be equal to minus 28. So y will be equal to minus 28 over 4, and this will be equal to minus 7. So our answer will be 2 and minus 7. Now this is basically net question. This is a nets question. A cuboid has length 6 centimeter. Length is 6 centimeter. If we check 1 2 3 4 5 6, so this is the length. Width is 5. 1 2 3 4 5, this is width, and height is 3. So height they have not given, they have not drawn, but it is 3 centimeter. On the 1 centimeter grid, complete the net of the cuboid. The base is drawn for you. So this is the base provided. So what I have done, I have made this model for you. The same thing. See, this is the base and this one. So if we fold this, I will fold and show you. Basically this one is the cuboid. If I can show properly, this is basically the cuboid which is fitting on it. So if we open this cuboid, this side will be opening to this one. This is 3 units, so we can mark. This is for your understanding. In exam you will not be able to make this model, but it will be when you will be going through this model, it will be clearing your concept. I will move page a little up so that you can understand properly, like here. I think so. Now it's better. Now this side, if we open this side, this is 3 unit. This side is also 3 units, and this side is also 3 units. So these 3 sides, and this side is like this one, 3 units, and then it will be top. This is the top portion which is equivalent to base. So top portion will be 1 2 3 4 5 units. So it will be 5 units like this one. So hopefully you understand this. If I switch this one like this, so now it is, I think so, better for you to understand. So this is the base given, 3 units. This side I will mark here. You understand how we are taking. So I'll move a little further. So this will be 3 units from this side also, 3 units from this side, 3 units from this side as well, and 3 units from this side as well. So this is done, and then 3 units from this side and 3 units from this side. So next will be 1 2 3 4 5 units as this one. So we will be having 5 units from here, 1 2 3 4 5 units. So this will be the mark. Now we will be drawing this one with the help of scale. We will be drawing this net, and this point will be joined with this. I will move a little above over here. See, you can see the drawing. So now this side also we have to join over here, and this side will be joined. So this will be the net, basically this one, and this side will be height, basically 3 units, 1 2 3, and this side will also be height 3 units. And once again, after finishing this drawing, I will put the model on it, and you will be understanding that one. Hopefully these next questions are basically like you will have to understand the concept there. It's just if you will be making 2-3 models for this nets questions, then it will be easier for you to understand. You can take any tissue box or any small packing box, and you can like I'm showing this dotted line. It means that it's folding from here, not cutting. So hopefully you are getting this right. So this is dotted line, and now we can join this one with this. This will be the top portion. This one will be top. So we can even write here, this is base, and this is top, and this is side, this one also side and side. So now if you see, this whole drawing is this one, 4 sides, base and top, and this is basically the model which we made for your better understanding. Hopefully now you understood this question, and this question is complete now. And next, question number 22 is about scatter diagram. 6 students revise for a test. The scatter diagram shows the time in hours each student spent revising and their marks in the test. So this is drawn. The data for 2 more students is shown in the table. 4.5 time is 4.5, so this side, and 33. So I will move a little above this one. So this is the data given, 4.5 and 33. This is 30, 31, 32, 33 will be this one. I will put cross over here. And the second is 35, 6.5 and 35. 6.5 is this one, and 35 is this mark. So we can put cross over here. So these 2 points we have marked, and which was requirement for part A. Part B is saying what type of correlation is shown. So if you see, these are like going upwards, which is positive correlation. So we can write here positive. Then draw a line of best fit on the scatter diagram. Line of best fit we have to draw. So we can turn the page a little and draw a line of best fit. So line of best fit will be like over here. We'll have to keep in mind that it should be like number of dots above and below should be almost same. So this will be the line of best fit which we have drawn. This was the requirement of part C. Draw a line of best fit on the scatter diagram. Then part D, another student spent 5.5 hours revising. Estimate a mark for this student. So 5.5 is this one, and this will be over here. So it's roughly around 35.5. So I will write here 35.5. This is done. Then this is question number 23. The question number 23 is showing, the diagram shows the positions of 3 points A, B, C. So A, B, C, 3 points are shown. Use a ruler and compasses only. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. So our first task is to construct perpendicular bisector of AB. So we will turn page a little so that it will be convenient to draw. So we will be opening the compass more than half. So we can make small hole over here and here so that we can fix the compass. So it's more than half, and we can make arc up and down both sides. And now the same size we will be making arc from this side as well, and this arc and this arc. So this is done. Hopefully you are understanding everything. Now we have to draw line. With the help of the scale we can draw lines from this point to this point. We can draw a line like this. This is done. Part 1 is done. Then part B, the locus of all points that are 3 centimeter from C. So we'll have to open compass 3 centimeter. So I will put here and open up to this one. So this is exactly 3 centimeter. And now we can draw locus of C, meaning it will be center, making circle of this one, 3 centimeter circle. After drawing this circle, basically we have to extend this line a little. So this line we can extend carefully. We have to use the same. So this one extended. Now B part, shade the region. Shade the region that is closer to A than B. Closer to A than B. So it should be on this side of the line. And the second condition is less than 3 centimeter from C. So less than, it should be on this side of the line and inside this circle, because circle is 3 centimeter from C. So we'll be shading this portion. Hopefully you understood everything. And if you like the video, you can subscribe the channel MathsTV, and also don't forget to press like button, and also introduce channel to your friends and teachers. Okay, so this is the shaded part which is required. Now question number 24. The diagram shows a notice board. The board is in the shape of a semicircle joined to a square with side 74 centimeters. So this is 74 centimeters. One side they have written. So this side is also 74 centimeter and this side is also 74 centimeter. And this side is also 74. The radius of the circle, this much will be 74 divided by 2, and 74 divided by 2 means 37. So this much radius is 37 centimeters. This is what is given. Now the perimeter of the board, first part, A1 is perimeter of the board. So perimeter, we have to take this round trip of the boundary line. So it will be 74. We'll start from here. 74 plus 74 plus this 74. So all three sides we have taken. Now we have to take this boundary line or perimeter of the semicircle. So perimeter of semicircle will be 1 by 2 into 2 pi r. So 2 pi into r will be 37. So this will be our the whole thing which will be adding. This will be equal to 74 plus 74 plus 74 plus 1 by 2, 1 over 2 into 2 pi will be this one, and in 37, and we can write in brackets or multiplication 37 and bracket close, and this will be 338.2389282. I will written the whole calculator digits, but I will be rounding this one 338, and this will be our answer. This one I can show you the answer. Now the area of the board, area will be area of two shapes. This one area of square, which is 74 into 74. So we can write here 74 multiply by 74, not addition. So 74 into 74 and plus area of this semicircle. So area of circle is pi r square. So it will be 1 by 2 of pi r square. So pi into r square means 37 square. So this will be the total area. So we can solve this as 74 into 74, 2 into pi. Pi will be this one, and multiplication 37 squared, and this will be equal to 7626.42, and we can round it and write answer as 7626 centimeters square. The board is a prism that is 5 centimeter thick. So basically we have to multiply 7626.42 into 5. So this will be equal to, this number is already there, so we'll be using this number. Multiply by 5 will be 38132. So 38132 and 0.10086. Also have written calculated digits, and I will write here 38132. This will be centimeter square. This was the last question of the paper. Hopefully you understood each and everything, and I'll be waiting for your comments. Don't forget to subscribe MathsTV and press bell icon so that will be sending you more past paper questions, question paper solved, and also latest videos. You'll be getting intimation for that. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.